Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of this Artman GoPro battery replacement set with a charger. This is brand new. This is a brand new developed device, and it is the top of the line. As we know, Artman has a really good reputation, good reviews in the past, so I have really high expectations on that device. So let's take it out of the box and see what it does. So here we have the set, and what we can already see from the beginning, the big difference is it comes with an LCD instead of an LED. As far as I remember, all the old sets had LEDs to display the charge, and this is the first time which comes with an LCD. There's even a very similar new device which is also really good, and I've also tested this one, and it comes with an LED to show the charge and if it's full and whatsoever, and it comes with a little bit a lower price. So if you don't need the LCD, then you can buy also the LED one. So I will put down the links to both sets into the description, so you can order it right from there. I guess the LCD shows a little bit more the development of the charge, but usually, you know, it's about 2 hours. It has, same thing, 700 milliamps charge 3 times. So it has pretty much same duration, which is about 2 hours, maybe a little bit more, 10 minutes more, something like that, which is standard with all the chargers. It has a little bit more charge. The old ones were, I think, 1480, something like that. This one has 1500 milliamps, so maybe it's even a new developed battery, which is always great. And yeah, it comes with 3 of these nice batteries, and it also comes with a charging cable. Here you can see that, and we can see, we compare it to the GoPro. No difference to see, but we will try that, of course, in the GoPro itself to see how this really works. It's for GoPro 5, 6 and 7. They are compatible. The good thing is it comes with a USB-C charger, which is strong, reliable. That's a new trend. Nobody wants to use micro USB anymore. And we also get a charging cable, which is really nice. So I'll hook it up and start charging, and then I'll see how it charges, and we'll go from there. So I'll hook it up on a battery pack, which you can always do. It is a good thing on the road to charge. When I connect, you can see the display. To make a little bit close up, yes, you can see it describes the channel 1, channel 2, channel 3. So let's see what happens when I put it in the charger slot the wrong way. So I would have to actually put it down this way, and so it looks like it's very well protected against putting in the wrong way. So, and now I put it in the right way, and it starts charging immediately. I do this now with all the 3 batteries and wait till it's fully charged, and we'll go from there. Before I forget, I want to show you something with the new charger. That's really important. I mean, you can see it by the design that it's way more like more stable, and the old design, which was really low, had a really big disadvantage, that when you moved, you touched the battery inside the charger, it stopped charging, then started charging again, and so on. And you can see, you can pull left, right, back, front. It doesn't do anything, it doesn't change anything, so it just continues charging. This is absolutely what we want to see finally. I mean, the old set was already good, but this is way better. This is what we want to see, a really super safe, super stable design. So this is something I wanted to share with you, to show you before it's fully charged. You can see that the two left batteries are already charged, and only the right side is still charging. And as you can see, there is only, I mean, it's about 75% or at least 75% already charged, so it's charging the last, or within the last 25%, so we can see this easily. So that's a good thing. I mean, this is something what you don't see with an LED. That's something which you can only see with LCDs. So if you need that, I mean, it gives you some extra information, of course. The thing is, when you put it back, sometimes it starts charging very quickly depending on how long it was outside of the box. I mean, every battery is discharging a little bit, so it could be that they are charging a little bit even if they are already fully charged. But you can see, I mean, I have put them out, put them back, and it's still the same. So that's a good thing. So you can, if you don't know how much charge you have, just put it in the charging cradle for a short time, and then you will see how much charge we have. We have like 4 lines, that means 100% charge, and the third one should be fully charged very soon as well. So here everything is perfectly charged, and I have been running one of the already charged batteries in the GoPro, and I have been just running it as long as possible. So let's take it out. So works pretty easy, not too difficult, doesn't seem like hot, or I mean, yeah, it's a couple of minutes ago, but nothing really weird. No bulging, nothing. So looks like this is a really good thing. So we can easily put it in and out still, even after using it like the full thing. So, and yeah, of course it's time to charge this again. I have to plug it in, so hope we can see that. That's it, pretty low. It should actually show nothing. Yeah, you see it starts with the first bar and it shows empty in between and starts with the first bar, so that means this battery is really empty. So I take one of the other charged ones and adding it and see how long it was able to record. So I hope you can see that. That's the file which is recorded. It was 1 hour and 27, which is really what I usually get, not more, not less. But I mean, we have to be aware of that was the first real charge, or I mean maybe second one, because it was already pre-charged from the manufacturer. But apart from that, for the first or second charge, 1.5 hours, that's not bad. Definitely that's a good thing. I really don't complain. I'm having troubles with the touch screen, but that's nothing new, happens all the time. But it's a problem with the GoPro and not with the battery. Settings I've been using, it's 1080p, 30 frames per second wide, so no crazy things. But 1.5 hours. That's definitely solid, nothing to complain. Yeah, not bubbling up, no crazy heat, no nothing, so really solid thing. And the display works really good. It's definitely an upgrade. I mean, I really like it that it's super stable here in the cradle. That's a huge advantage compared to the old system or old systems also from competitors. That's a huge plus. Also, you see here as well 100% charge for the other battery. You see that when they come out of the cradle, GoPro shows really 100% charge. Here I definitely I didn't stop. What's important to know for you, I didn't stop the recording, and so that means there was at the end enough power for the GoPro to stop recording, save the file, and shut off the GoPro normal, because when I booted up there was no error message. So that's a really positive thing. That's really good to see that it's properly working, and it has really same charge as the original, or maybe even slightly more. I mean, here we have the description on the original. It says 1220 milliamps, so probably after a few charging and discharging cycles, so we should be able to expect more recording, or more longer recordings than with the original battery. So that's definitely a good thing. So really nothing to complain from my side. The only wish which I had to Artman, that they would maybe, if they change anything, they would deliver such travel cases in their next development. That is a really convenient thing if this if you are traveling, if you're out on the road. I mean, if you're mainly recording from home, you don't need that, of course, but for traveling it can be definitely a helpful thing. But you can buy them separately on Amazon as a bulk, no problem with that. So I'll put down the link to this really nice charger and battery replacement set for the GoPro into the description, so you can order it right from there. And yeah, I'll put down also the link to the other video of the LED system, which is a little bit cheaper but doesn't have this nice LCD feature. So you can decide which one you want to buy at the end. It's not much difference, but of course this is the absolute premium one with also a little bit better battery capacity. Of course, if you want to have maximum capacity, then you probably better go with this one. So that's it for now. I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.